Today we are doing a Spanish exam style practice quiz. It follows the GCSE style here in the UK, but is useful for everyone. It's around A2 to B1 level. Write your answers down and let's go straight to question 1. Question number 1. Completa. Normalmente al colegio en autobús. Las opciones A, voy, B, voy a ir, C, fui. Unos segunditos. La opción correcta es A, voy. And the explanation, voy is the present tense first person singular used for routines or habits. Normalmente indicates something done regularly. So present tense is the correct one. Question 2. Si hace sol, al parque con mis amigos. Las opciones A, iré, B, voy, C, fui. Unos segunditos. La opción correcta, correct answer is iré. And the explanation, this is a simple condition. A condition needs to happen for something to happen in the future. So we use the present and the future. This is very handy for exams. This structure is very good to express future plans. Question 3. Mis abuelos en una casa en la costa. The options A, viven, B, vivo, C, vives. Unos segunditos, a few seconds. The correct option is viven. Mis abuelos, they. So it's the third person of plural. Viven. And we are in question 4. No tengo hambre ya. Las opciones. Options A, comía, B, he comido, C, comeré. Unos segunditos, few seconds. And the correct answer is he comido. The explanation is ya plus present perfect. I have eaten. That expresses the past with a sort of present feeling, like ya he comido. Question 5. This is a question. Ayudarme con mis deberes. Las opciones A, puedes, B, pudiste, C, podrás. Unos segunditos. And the correct option is puedes. A polite request uses the present tense can you in English. Can you help me in this case? Question 6. Me encanta el deporte porque mantenerme en forma. Las opciones A, ayuda, B, me ayuda, A, C, ayudó. Unos segunditos. The correct option, me ayuda a. The explanation after por qué, we need a full phrase like me ayuda a plus infinitive. Okay, it helps me to. So this structure is another good one for the exams. Okay. Question 7. Mis amigos y yo videojuegos todos los fines de semana. And the options A, jugamos, B, jugábamos, C, jugarán. Unos segunditos. And the correct answer is A, jugamos. The explanation is todos los fines de semana. It describes a routine. So that will be the present tense. And it's jugamos because it's we. Question number 8. Cuando era pequeño, al fútbol en un equipo local. Las opciones A, juego, B, jugaba, C, jugaré. Unos segunditos. And the correct answer is B, jugaba. The explanation, cuando era pequeño, refers to childhood, so we're going to use the imperfect. Question number 9. Tengo que la mesa antes de cenar. Las opciones: A, poner, B, ponía, C, pongo. Unos segunditos. And the correct answer is A, poner. After tengo que, we're going to put the infinitive. In this case, poner. Another very good construction for the exams. For the writing exam and speaking exam is something that you can have up your sleeve. Question number 10. Si tuviera más tiempo, más libros en español. Las opciones: A, leo, B, leí, C, leería. Un poco más difícil, a little bit harder this one. Por unos segunditos, a few seconds. And the correct answer is leería. Okay, this is a C imperfect subjunctive with the conditional structure. A little bit more difficult, but it's a good structure for the exams if you want to achieve an upper grade like 8 or 9. Okay, so you can pause the video now and write in the comments how many questions you got right at the moment. And we're going to move on to the section 2, listening. Okay, we are in section 2. In this section we have an audio and then a question, and then answer the questions with the options. We're gonna do 5 listening questions. You're gonna listen carefully and then you're gonna answer the question. Listen carefully.
Mañana vamos a visitar un museo y después comeremos en un restaurante italiano.
Okay, the question. What are they going to do tomorrow? The possible answers: A, go shopping, B, watch a film, C, visit a museum. Unos segunditos. And the correct answer is C, visit a museum. We can hear in the audio, vamos a visitar un museo. We are going to visit a museum. Question 12. Listen twice carefully.
No puedo salir esta tarde porque tengo que terminar un proyecto para el colegio.
And the question, why can't they go out? The possible answers: A, they have to look after the brother, B, they have a school project, C, they are ill. A few seconds there. And the correct answer is B, they have a school project. You can hear that they have to do a project for the school. Tengo que hacer un proyecto para el colegio. Question number 13. Listen twice carefully.
El fin de semana pasado fuimos al campo e hicimos una barbacoa con mis primos.
And the question, where were they last weekend? And the possible options: A, at the beach, B, in the countryside, and C, at the shopping center. Unos segunditos. And the correct answer is B, in the countryside. And the explanation is: fuimos al campo. We went to the countryside. Question 14. Listen twice carefully.
Prefiero viajar en tren porque es más cómodo y no me gusta conducir.
And the question: why do they prefer traveling by train? The possible answers: A, it's faster, B, it's more comfortable, C, it's cheaper. Unos segunditos. And the correct answer is B, is more comfortable. They say es más cómodo, it means it's more comfortable. Question number 15 and the last one, so listen twice carefully.
Este año quiero mejorar mi español, así que voy a practicar cada día durante media hora.
And the question, what do they want to do this year? And the possible answers: A, travel to Spain; B, improve their Spanish; C, do more sport. Unos segunditos. And the correct answer is improve their Spanish. The explanation, the audio says, quiero mejorar mi español. I want to improve my Spanish. We are in section 3. Now we finish with the writing task. If you really want to improve your real exam grade, try this with me. Write 90 words approximately on the following theme: my plans and goals for the future. You must include what you want to study or do after school, what your life will be like in 5 years, and which skills you would like to improve. And also why these goals are important to you. Write your answer in the comments and I will mark it personally. I always read and answer to all my comments. Okay, thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you found this useful, give the video a like and share it with your friends. And tell me in the comments if you like more GCSE practice like this. Vale, adiós, hasta luego.